So here it is, the video I promised on my wilderness first aid kit. So I'm going to go over this a little bit here and kind of show you around what's inside of it. This is in my long-term survival bag, basically the contents of it all spread out here. We have a wilderness and travel medicine book. We have 4 different pamphlets dealing with different issues such as CPR, burn care, bleeding, and as well as a patient assessment form. Space blanket, 3 instant cold packs. Here we have some various medications and pills. We have a cycle of antibiotics. Lots of alcohol hand wipes. Lots of prep pads. This whole row is all different sized gauzes. Over here we have basically the band-aids in this. We have just every different size band-aid, eye patches, knuckle band-aids, knee band-aids, waterproof ones, different size butterfly band-aids, just everything I could possibly need. Under here we have some Ziploc bags, which I call like body part collection bags, because a true story, my brother was weightlifting with me and he dropped some weights on his foot. He was weightlifting barefoot and it actually severed the top part of his toe, and I was able to collect it, put it in a Ziploc bag, and they were able to reattach it. So sometimes if you do have access to a medical facility, collecting a body part, putting it in a Ziploc bag, and bringing it there can save someone's body part. This is just a wound dressing, sterilized wound dressing, triangle bandage, plenty of moleskin, a couple glow sticks for treating stuff in low light conditions. Here we have various medical tapes, different gauzes. This is just some like sheets of like a plasticky gauze type material. Here we have aspirin, non-aspirin, Tylenol, ibuprofen, antacid, Difen, which is a anti-allergy thing. We have Metalite, electrolyte replacement, burn cream, insect protection cream, insect sting and snake bite stuff, sunscreen lotion, a plethora of antibiotic ointments, Celox blood clotting agent. Here we have more the tools. We have nail clippers, super glue, medical sutures, basic scissors, tweezers, Swiss Army knife, a syringe, sterilized medical tweezers, Q-tips. That little pen is like a chalk type pen that stops bleeding. Hand sanitizer, Gentine Violet, eye drops, napkins, Gold Bond Icy Hot, and triple antibiotic ointment. Sterilized surgical blades. In here we have lots of rubber gloves as well as hazmat stickers, safety pins. Here we have sterile cotton tip. They're like really long, I don't know what you call them, like splint type things. A pencil. I got a lot of paper in that book back there. A couple finger splints and a giant rubber band, basically for cutting off circulation to areas. So yeah, that's basically what's in my kit. And it doesn't appear to be that pricey. I suppose if you spent the time to order all this stuff separate. It might be a lot cheaper, but keep in mind these are the parts I pulled from various medical kits. So I don't actually know the exact cost of this, but I mean I'll buy a blister kit and just pull the moleskins out of it, you know. I'll buy a lot of kits and just pull some of the band-aids, the gauze, and a few other things out, and just save the rest of the kit in my basement. But basically we have a pretty wide range of medical treatment supplies here, and I'm pretty happy with this. I'm always adding to it. One thing about medical stuff is it's really expensive. I have over $1,000 invested in medical kits, and it's just getting to be a bit ridiculous at this point. But I can tell you, in an emergency situation, I'll be glad I had all this. And I also have so many spare parts that I was able to create almost an identical kit for my wife's Bugout bag, as well as my car EDC car kit or whatever, and also for my medical supply stock in the basement. So yep, that's it. And this is all my medical supplies when they're all packed up. As you can see, really they pack up pretty small, so yep.